here, I'm already inside a Google Meet meeting. And what you can do is if you want to share out visual works, then you can go around here onto the three dot icon and then click on Whiteboard. So what it does is it allows you to start a new whiteboard or work with an existing one in your Google Drive. So I'm just going to go on start a new whiteboard just like this, and it creates a gem as you can see. So what happens is that it creates a whiteboard right there, and then in your participants view, you get a link to the whiteboard just like this. So they can click on it and access the whiteboard at the same time. So over here in the whiteboard, what the users will be able to do is they'll be able to draw things right over here, erase it, you can select things out. You can even add in a sticky note and then save it out just like that, as you can see right here. And then you can add in a picture from your Google Drive, or you can select one from your computer as well, and then you can just attach that out. So I'm just going to go inside my Dropbox right here, and let's say I want to add in this file just like this. So it just uploads it right over there, and there you go right here. And then over here, and then there's the circle right here, and then there's the text right here just like this. And over here you can see that there's like layers that you can actually work around with this just like that. And all happens at the same time. You can see that the other users, as I go around, you can see that they'll be able to see it like this interactively, just like that. So over here, that is how you actually work with that. If you want to share out an existing document, then you simply go over here, and then on the whiteboard, you choose from Google Drive, and then you can choose from one of the recent existing ones, or you can go over here onto your drive and select one as well. Click on Open Jam, and then you can start working on it as well, just like that. And the link will be shared to others just like that, and then you can just start working around right over here. And that is how you can work around with Whiteboard inside of Google Meet. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.